Hey, I'm here to educate you on a little known fact today, and that is that most aftermarket accessories don't add any value to your vehicle. Now, I know what you're saying. You're thinking, Michael, I love aftermarket lights and exhaust and sound system, and how can a leather kit not add any value to my vehicle? And in all honesty, it really doesn't. All of it goes back to you and what it adds to your comfort and how much you like your vehicle. However, when you take your vehicle, because more than likely you're gonna take your vehicle and trade it in, or even if you get in a wreck, the insurance company isn't even going to take that into account, let alone the dealership isn't gonna take into account your exhaust or your lights or anything like that. Most accessories, they don't add any value. However, what's a little special about us is how lift kits, tires, and wheels, they all actually add value to them. When you go to trade in your vehicle at a dealership and you're in Texas, those Texas dealers actually give you credit for your tires and wheels and lift. And I know what you're thinking, where's the proof? And here's the deal, I got the proof for you. I went ahead and I pulled up this vehicle that we built for McAndrew Motors. It's one of the dealers that we built a lot of their inventory for. Now it is a 2018 F-150, it's an XLT crew cab, 4-wheel drive V8, it's the 5.0. Now it was a base XLT, it had a bench seat, chrome bumpers, chrome grille. It was a rental fleet truck, so either Avis or Budget or one of those rental companies owned it, and it was just the base model. We added a lift, tires, wheels, we painted the bumpers, we painted the grille, we smoked out the headlights, added fender flares, added rails, and added some leather to it. And let's look and see what they did. They advertised it at $43,000. I know it says $42,900, but we're gonna say $43,000 advertised right here. And now when the customer or when the dealer would have gone and looked at the value of this truck, they would have pulled the book value. This is what's gonna tell them how much they can give for the truck and how much they can sell it for. Now, typically, you wanna go off of the trade-in value, which means what should you give the customer if they wanted to trade it in, or what would you pay for it if it was at the auction? Now, the trade-in value on this truck is right at $29,500 or $27,600, but let's just say $29,000. That's the trade-in value of the truck. We'll just keep average trade of $29,500. Now what happens when you lift the vehicle? When you lift it and you add tires and wheels, that's very key. You gotta add tires and wheels with the lift, is they take this trade-in value and they skip even the loan value and they go all the way to the retail value. They go all the way to clean retail value, which on this truck, no matter what you do, the clean retail value is $34,700. Call it $35,000. So if you're doing the math, we were at $29,000 and now we're saying that the value of the truck is at $35,000. So a typical lift, tires, wheels is gonna be somewhere around $4,000. You can do a little bit less if you wanna go with cheaper tires. You can do a little bit more if you wanna go with nicer tires. But we're gonna add $4,000 to the vehicle at $29,000. You've now got $33,000 in the truck. And the dealer or the dealers at the auction, depending on where you're going to sell your vehicle, they're gonna see that it's valued at $35,000. Therefore, you get a $2,000 increase in the value of your vehicle. Now, if you go and you spend $2,000 on your sound system, it's not gonna make it worth a penny more. If you spend $2,000 on lights, not gonna make it worth $1 more. If you go spend $2,000 on a full cat back exhaust, not even cat back, if you just do a complete exhaust from the header back, it's not gonna make it worth $1 more. So, that's why, and I understand, you're seeing this from Central Alps, you're looking up what we do, we sell lift kits and tires and wheels. Yes, it's my job to sell you a lift kit, tires and wheels. But in all honesty, we've been doing this for years. We've been taking stock vehicles, we've been lifting them, and we've been selling them. You can check our website, you can see our inventory, we send them to the auction. We've sold, honestly, probably over 300 cars in the last 3 years, lifting them and doing this to it. So it's a little secret that we have that we just wanna let you know that honestly, lifting your vehicle, adding tires and wheels, it adds value to your vehicle unlike any other accessory. So if you want more information, if you want to find out how to get your vehicle lifted, or if you want to schedule a time to lift your vehicle, give us a call at 833-268-2577 and we would love to help you out, love to get you in the door, love to help you get everything picked out and make your vehicle worth more. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, give us a call, leave us a comment, shoot us an email. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.